People across Southern California are cleaning up their homes from mudslides and flooding from this week's heavy rain.
They may also be footing the bill for that cleanup. Eyewitness News reporter Carlos Granda takes a closer look at flood insurance.
The torrential rain brought mudslides, rocks, and boulders damaging homes and property. The first thing you think of is calling your insurance, but then you get hit with more bad news.
Standard homeowners insurance doesn't cover flooding.
For this type of damage, you need a separate flood insurance policy. It's a necessity for people in states such as Florida, where flooding is a major issue. But Californians worry more about earthquakes and fires.
When water comes from the ground up, that's considered flooding. And usually it's water mixed with mud and debris flowing through your house.
The latest FEMA data shows only about 191,000 properties in the state are covered by FEMA flood insurance policies. That's only about 1.52%. For all of LA County, the largest county in the country with 10 million people, there are only 14,580 policies, less than 1%.
There's only so much that you can be covered for. For homes, it's up to $250,000 in total coverage. For businesses, it's up to $500,000 in total coverage. Might not be enough to cover all of the damages in a disaster zone, but it is coverage that's available for you.
Vehicles that were damaged by the mud and water could be covered by your auto insurance policy if you have comprehensive coverage. If you have damage to your home and you don't have flood insurance, you could get help from FEMA if your area is designated as a federal disaster zone.
We recommend that if you have damage, take pictures of it so that you can either turn that in if you do have flood insurance or if you decide to go to FEMA if it becomes a federal disaster.
If you want to get flood insurance now, you have to remember there is a 30-day waiting period from the day you sign up before coverage starts. I'm Carlos Granda, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC 7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and download the ABC 7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.